Are you wondering why you're not getting any fruit on your eggplant? Well, I'm going to go over some of the reasons why and what we can do to resolve it. So here I am sitting right next to my eggplant, and it hasn't really been fruiting. I've been getting a lot of flowers, and some of the flowers have fallen off, which is telling me that there's a problem. Now, some of the reasons why eggplant may not be fruiting the way you like is because maybe it's being overwatered and that creates stress, or if it's underwatered, that creates stress. And sometimes if it's extremely humid, then the pollen on the flower is sticky and it won't be able to drop down, because if you notice how the eggplant flowers are, they all are pretty much facing downward, and that helps the pollen come down from the anthers to go on to the stigma. Now, the eggplant is part of the nightshade family, which means both male and female parts are within the flower. So you don't need another plant for cross-pollination. It should be able to self-pollinate just like a tomato. And so things you can do, obviously we want to rely on pollinators, but just like with tomatoes, if you can shake the plant, sometimes that helps. And then, of course, some people use the vibrating toothbrush and they'll put it on here for vibration to help move some of the pollen. But I'm going to show you another method that's a little simpler, because all you're going to need is this little paintbrush. That's all you're going to need. So here you see the male and female parts of the flower. The outside yellow that you're seeing, that is the anther. And in the very center is the stigma. So what you want to do is you want to brush down the pollen onto the stigma. So here's a flower that we just pollinated, and you see how small, do you see how small it is right here? And I believe I'm having some success, because down here, do you see how here it's starting to swell up and it looks a lot larger? So that's an indicator to me that we have successful pollination on this particular flower. Here's an example of an eggplant that has been successful in fertilizing, and you could see it comes down from where the original flower was, and it has this green little cap that will stay on top of that eggplant until it's time for it to ripen. And the way you know whether or not it's ready is that you press it, and if you give a little bit of indentation, then it's telling you that it's ready to pick. This one is still very firm and very hard, so it isn't ready yet. And this particular eggplant that I'm showing you is the Black Beauty. So part of the process when you're gardening is trying to troubleshoot and figure out when you're having problems. And so that's why I'm hoping that this video was helpful for you, so that you could see it's super simple to self-pollinate it, and it will garner results. And I also think that you'll have a lot of success, because you can see there's so many flowers. And the best time to do it is in the morning. The flower only stays open for about 3 days. And you can imagine with each passing day, there would be less opportunity or less pollen, because the insects are coming through and other things might be happening. But you want to be able to have successful pollination and do it first thing in the morning and as soon as the flower opens. So I hope this was helpful. Keep on farming, and we'll see you next time.